Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Wrangler hood. First, locate the two hood latches on the front of your vehicle, typically found on either side of the grille. Pull each latch outwards to release it from its locked position. After both latches are free, gently lift the hood a small amount to find the safety latch located underneath the center. Now that the main latches are open, reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right in the middle. You will feel a small safety latch. Push this latch to the side, either left or right, to disengage it. Once it moves freely, the hood is fully released and ready to be lifted open. With the safety latch disengaged, you can now lift the hood all the way open. Use both hands for a steady lift. Look for the hood prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Unclip the rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame to securely hold the hood in the open position. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its hole and secure it back into its clip on the underside of the hood. Gently lower the hood until it is almost closed, about 6 to 8 inches from fully shut. Then, push down firmly and evenly on both sides of the hood to ensure both latches click securely into place.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.